People are earning $250 to $2,000 a month selling their AI-generated art on this platform, and you can do it too. Go to Etsy, search for digital art, copy the most trending style, and you will make millions in no time. That's the most bullshit way to make money I've ever heard. Not only it takes months for someone to buy your product, you even have to pay to list your product. Etsy is not the best platform to make money selling your AI art. The best place to sell your AI art is on Adobe Stock. Some of you might already know about it, and some might not. Even I figured it out a few days back and couldn't wait to tell you all about it. But before selling on Adobe, you need to have an account. All you have to do is sign up with your email ID and your account is ready. Here's a look into my account. 2 AI art that I submitted 1 week back just got accepted yesterday. I uploaded a few more a day before. So how much can you earn? Adobe has given you the answer. Here you can see, images get 33% royalty, and it also depends on the plan the buyer has subscribed to. On average, the 40 credit plan is highly popular among buyers, so let's take that into consideration. You will earn $0.82 when someone will download your photo, and if you get 10 downloads a day, that will average about $8.2 a day. Multiplying that by 30, you will earn $246 a month. It might not be a high earning, but earning $246 for just uploading your AI-generated photos with no additional work required is pretty attractive to me. Not to forget, the more you upload, the more download you will get and the more you will earn. But there are some things you have to be careful about, or else your art might not get a place in Adobe Stock. You should be familiar with what kind of photos Adobe accept and reject. Adobe has clearly stated that your AI art should be relevant. You should use AI tool to fill in the content gap. Your image should provide value. You shouldn't use content generated by others' prompts, and you shouldn't submit multiple images generated with the same prompt. To sell a lot of photos, you should submit images that are in demand. To find what's trending, just go to the Insight tab and select the Illustration tab. Here you can clearly see that many, if not all, the images are designed by generative AI. Let's have a look at the top seller profile. He mostly has backgrounds and also many green energy stocks. So we will make something similar to that. But before that, select one image for reference, as we will also be using the image keywords for ranking our own image. Open Discord. Make sure you are on the Midjourney server, then type /imagine, then write your prompt. I will write something similar to green, like green energy and solar panel. Also, I will include paper art so it looks similar to what's trending. Now let's wait for the image to be generated. After the image has been generated, save the image you find the most desirable. I really like the last image, so I will choose this. Just click on the U button to upscale your desired image. Let's wait for the image to be upscaled. After the image is upscaled, click on the image, and then click Open in Browser. Now save the image. After saving the image, go to Google and search for Image Upscaler. There are many, but personally I like IMG Upscaler and Upscale Media. They both are free and gives really high quality results. But I will recommend Upscale Media, as you can upscale unlimited times with no limit. Upload your photo and wait for it to process. When the image is processed, go to the bottom corner and on Enhance Quality and wait for it to process. As you can see, the quality went up quite significantly. Now download the image and you are good to go. Now go back to Adobe and on the top right corner click Upload and then upload your image. Now this is a very important step, so follow it carefully or your image might not get accepted. Choose the file type to be an illustration and the category that is relevant. The language should be English. Check this created using AI box and select No in recognizable people or property. Now comes the SEO stuff. In the title section you will get some default recommendations. Choose that if you want. You also have the freedom to edit them. Now go back to the image we saved and copy some keywords from there. In the end, it created using generative AI. This is important, or else your image might not get accepted. In the keyword section, it's best to add all suggested keywords. And in the end, add 3 additional keywords, which are generative AI and generative AI. This is really important, as well as stated by Adobe that you should add these keywords to your image. Now you can peacefully submit your file. Now it will be held for review for a few days and will get accepted once approved.